Karthik and Satish. Now Karthik is here. He is on the 16th position, right? 26 from here and 10 on the left side. So 16th. So now three boys between Satish and Karthik. So Satish is this side or this side. Do you know anything? Means to the left of Karthik or to the right of Karthik. Is it given somewhere? No. It means what? You cannot find the position of Satish. Satish can be either on left or on right. Three positions. So you don't know Satish. As you don't know Satish, you don't know Rohan then. Right? So data inadequate. That's the answer. Next, some of the letters are missing which are given in that order as one of the options below it. Select the correct options here. This BBA, this is a sequence and these are the options. So you have to put what options can be there here. The series, if you check this, put it properly. You put B over here, it is BABB, then again BABB, then BABB. So what is getting repeated? BABB, 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 BA, all these up to BA. Okay. So what will be the sequence? B over here, then B over here, A over here, BBA. Check which is having BBA. Yeah, this one. So this is the correct answer. Okay. BBA, BBB. That is the correct option which is to be inputted over here. Next. 6 people A, B, C, D, E and F are sitting on the ground in a hexagonal shape. All the sides of the hexagon are so formed are of same length. A is not adjacent to B or C. D is not adjacent to C or E. B and C are adjacent. F is in the middle of D and C. So which of the following is not a correct neighboring pair? Okay. Don't get confused. Look at the hints. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.